Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I've linked this vacuum sealer below at a great price, so check that out first if you want to grab one. Today we're checking out the Beelicious Pro VSP801 vacuum sealer, and this one goes way beyond just sealing bags. It actually helps you keep track of what's in your freezer. It's Amazon's choice and it's new on Amazon this past month. Let's start with the coolest feature here, the labeling system. This machine prints a label right onto your bag, and it connects to an app where you can log what's inside, when you sealed it, and get reminders before it goes bad. So no more mystery bags buried in the back of your freezer. For actual sealing power, this uses a dual pump system that pulls air out up to 50% faster than basic sealers, and it uses 2 heating strips instead of 1, so your seal is stronger and more reliable, especially for bulk meat or weekly meal prep. If you're sealing something wet, like marinated meat or fish, there's a special extra moist mode that senses moisture and adjusts automatically, so you get a clean seal instead of a soggy mess. It's also built with real comfort in mind. The handle is wider and easier to grip, which really helps if you're sealing a lot of bags at once for a big family or meal prepping for the week. And a bunch of small details make everyday use easier too, like built-in bag storage, a bag cutter, a spot to store the hose, a countdown display so you know what's happening, and a removable tray that catches drips, so cleanup is simple. Overall, if you want a vacuum sealer that actually helps you stay organized, not just seal bags, the Beelicious Pro VSP801 is a genuinely smart pick for meal prep and freezer storage. I'll leave the link to this Beelicious vacuum sealer in the description below if you want to check the current price. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.